Jai Hind children, welcome back in SST module class. Children, this is the fourth module of the chapter Natural Resources. So let's start. Children, in this module we will talk about non-renewable natural resources. In last few modules you have come to know about what are renewable resources. So non-renewable natural resources are those resources which once used up are exhausted and are either not renewed by nature or renewed very slowly over millions of years. Minerals. Rocks on the earth are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are solid substances that are present in nature and can be made of one element or more elements combined together. Minerals are very important natural resource. The minerals obtained from the earth are in an impure form. They are purified and used to make number of things. We get metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, gold and silver from minerals. These are shiny and hard. We also get other substances such as diamond, mica and limestone from minerals. Fuels. Fuels are the substances which produce energy either by burning in the presence of oxygen or by a chemical reaction. Fuels such as petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are also obtained from the earth. Petrol, diesel and natural gas are obtained from petroleum. Children, as I already told you, non-renewable resources are once used up. They will not be available to us anymore. Did you know, children? It took nature 1 million years to create the amount of fuels being burned by humans today in 1 year. Minerals such as coal and petroleum, which give us fuels for providing energy, are being used up rapidly. We should use these resources very carefully and not waste them. To save these minerals, we should depend more on source of energy that will never get used up. For example, solar energy and wind energy. Thank you, children. Read all the topics again of the chapter. Happy learning, everyone.